Hi everyone, and welcome to Hands on Science. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey, hey.
Mel, I got something cool for us today.
Yes, what is this?
Okay, so we've got this little vase.
Okay.
There's a little bit of water in here already.
Okay.
And on the top, I've got some cheesecloth. You can get cheesecloth at the hardware store, the craft store. And I've just got some rubber bands holding a couple layers of cheesecloth on there. So, first thing I want to show you is if I take some more water, I can pour the water through the cheesecloth into this little vase, right? And it goes in easy, just like you would pour water into a vase without the cheesecloth. So the next thing I have is this piece of card. This is just a little piece of cardstock.
Okay.
And what I'm going to do is put this cardstock on top of the vase, and then very quickly,
all the water's going to fall out.
flip it over.
Oh, okay.
But I'm going to slide the cardstock away,
Woo.
and all that water stays in the vase. So I'm going to invite you to hold that for me.
Okay, I can hold it.
Okay.
That's cool.
And here I have a toothpick.
And wait, you're going to
So I'm going to take this toothpick and I'm going to stick it through that cheesecloth.
And
what do you think is going to happen?
I think you might make a hole.
Well, there's already holes in the cheesecloth, but I mean, we lost a couple drops of water, but not a lot.
It's going, and the water's not even coming out.
And the water's not falling through.
Just a little drip here
Cheesecloth. Yep, just a
there
little drip
go.
here and there. Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
So guys, if you think you know how this works, leave us a comment below. And if you like this activity as much as we did, make sure to always subscribe for more hardware or hands-on science.
Bye.
So this will be our last one, close up, and you can see that toothpick going up into the vase and floating to the top.
Yeah.
So if you guys think you know how this works, please leave us a comment below. And if you enjoyed this activity as much as we did, please subscribe for more hands on science. And we'll see you next time.